Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to drill the exhaust barrels of your Space Marine bikes. You'll see a lot of people on the internet saying you should drill your gun barrels. Well, I think drilling these exhausts are just as important. Here's a Ravenwing biker that I'm in the middle of refurbishing. I've stripped all its paint away. And here's the tools you're going to need. Three drill bits, a 1.5, a 2.5 and a 4mm, a pin vise, a scalpel with a decently sharp blade, and if you can get a drill, get a drill because it will just speed things up a little bit. So first things first, you want to find the center of your exhaust. I find the best thing to do here is use a scalpel and just kind of mark a cross into it. And just be as careful as you can. Obviously don't hurt yourself. If you're young, get someone to help you with this. And then with the tip of the scalpel, just turn it into the center of the cross, just to give a little indentation for the drill bit to sit into. Next, you're going to take your 1.5mm drill bit on your pin vise, and you're going to get it as close to the center in that indentation as you can. Do a few turns with the drill bit, and then come back and have a look and make sure it's going in center, and then go all the way through with it. Again, be really careful not to slip like I just nearly did. Once that's all the way through, have a look. Now you can see mine's slightly off centered. Don't worry about it too much, it will kind of fix itself before the end. Next, you want to take your 2.5mm drill bit. I use a drill for this because my pin vise won't actually take a 2.5mm drill bit, and it's just a little bit faster. Again, be super careful. You don't want to drill through your bike, or even worse, your hand. Again, it's slightly off center, but don't worry, it's going to fix itself up now in a minute. The final step is to take your 4mm drill bit and just using your hand, turn it into the exhaust a little bit. This is called countersinking, if you don't know any sort of engineering or building terms. But you don't want to go all the way through with this. That's why I'm not using a drill or any sort of tool. I'm just turning this in with my hand. It just gives it a little bit of a countersunk hole, and it kind of centers it all off so it doesn't look so bad anymore. Last thing you want to do is then just clean up any sharp edges you might have. And then you're done. That's how you drill out your exhaust barrels. You could do this with any exhaust, really, in any model you want, like on this Rhino here that I have. Just the only thing you might have to do is just slightly change the size of the drill bits you're using, but just use whatever's appropriate to you.